This is Nathan with Trident Contracting again, and here we are at another property where we've done a complete demo and rebuild of the complete exterior and the interior. So I'm going to walk you through kind of where we are. We're in the middle of the construction process right now. We've gone ahead and replaced all the windows and doors, all new siding, trim, gutters on the exterior, brand new roof, and storm door. And as we come into the home, all the flooring's been completely demoed, all new paint and drywall. And as you can see, the construction debris that starts to accumulate is the dust and drywall compound. And so here we have the brand new door. This door was leaky, hard to open. Actually, the handle was broken, so all sorts of draft and rain was coming through the door itself. And we've demoed the entire kitchen area. And what we've done is we had a peninsula coming out from over here. We've moved the sink over here, and we've changed the entire doorway that was leading in from the dining room from a single swing that used to sit over here into a double wide opening, so we can take an entire kitchen system out to here with a new peninsula coming out over in this direction. And we're going to make this entire area a whole new kitchen area itself, so this area becomes far more usable for entertainment and cooking. So as you can see, we have the dining area now wide open. Now, one of the problems that we ran into was the flooring level is different. So what we're now going to have to do is we're going to have to put a Luan finish along this entire surface area so that when we put the new flooring down, it's all level. We had an old banister leading from this wall over to these stairs right here. That's getting replaced. We're going to build a new banister here. All new LVP flooring throughout, all new paint, drywall repairs. We tore out the old tile flooring. As you can see, we're going to have to put a 1/4-inch Luan down to smooth out this entire hallway. And that way we got an even floor system. This bathroom here used to have some type of grass or tweed wallpaper, which has now been gutted, and we've repainted. And we're going to be putting a whole new toilet vanity, whole new system in here for this hall bathroom, which is going to be amazing when it's done. All right, so going upstairs, keeping the railing, so we're protecting it. We'll clean it when it's finished. Carpet's being replaced, so that becomes your floor protection. What started all of this was inside the office here was the entire ceiling completely collapsed and fell down under the weight of, I think it was moisture or water coming in from the chimney. And all the insulation and drywall completely collapsed down onto this floor here. And it opened up into a larger discussion of what they really wanted to do with the entire home. So we're going to be leaving for now the existing bathroom that's been partially remodeled. Same thing here, we replaced all the drywall on the entire ceiling because we were concerned that there's a chance that the rest of this may collapse down the road. Same thing in the hallway. All the drywall completely replaced, and same thing in the master bedroom. All this drywall is still yet to be replaced. That still has to get done. And you can kind of see where all the nails are puckered, and that's where the drywall is starting to fall down, and the nails are still holding part of it up in place. And that's because over time, this whole area is starting to collapse and puncture through, which is what has led to the collapse of part of the drywall in the other rooms. So this room has been left untouched as kind of a holding area for all the furniture. As we go back down, you can see all new drywall in the stairwell. Same reason, we were having issues with collapse. And then as we go down to the basement, lots of drywall repair throughout the entire home. A lot of pointing up that needed to get done to try to smooth all this stuff out. And you're gonna hear work going on where the crews are working right now. We ended up replacing the water heater that's in here because the homeowner was complaining that they would take a shower and they get 5 minutes of hot water and that was it. So we went ahead and replaced a whole brand new water heater. Actually went taller and larger for them. All of this flooring that you see here is all gonna get torn up. That still has to get done. All this drywall in here has been completely torn out and completely replaced. And then here we're inside the bathroom, same thing. And so as you can see, it's just a lot of work, a lot of time and effort that goes into doing this type of renovations. And it's just a lot of patience. So stay tuned for the final reveal.